They have an obsessive fixation on you. They feel like you are their rival. You have triggered deep fears and brought them to the surface for this individual. You are their worst nightmare. They thought that they had you all figured out. Or they thought that due to their way of thinking, such as being a prejudice, a classist, you will not be a threat. Only to find that you are hypnotic to many. You have a very ethereal aura that makes people gravitate towards you. You don't care about classes and titles and designer labels. You march to the beat of your own drum. It's literally like you're in the world of your own with the world card. They thought you would not be a threat until they found that the people, the person that they wanted to get close to is focused on you. They see how you operate in the world and they feel like, I'm hearing you get what you want. How? It's called being authentic, darling. And I feel like you attract many blessings that this person or these people feel. They literally are viewing you as though you are magic. There's a fascination. Oh, but I thought that you looked down on my butterflies. You know, they didn't want to see your light at first, but your light has been highlighted. Your talents, your skills, maybe on the World Wide Web for some of you. Maybe they've seen a picture in real life, in real time. Your aura can't be denied. You are magnetic. Even they are drawn by you. And it's led them to try to sabotage and block you. They were always jealous of your looks. And what makes it worse is that you are a nice person too. It would have been easier if you looked this good and you wasn't a nice person. It would have been epic for them. They would have had a story, a narrative to spread. See, she's not nice. He's not a nice guy. He did this. He's mean. But because you are so warm-hearted, because you have social grace and charm. You're very charming. I'll give you that. Gorgeous to look at. But the energy matches. Imagine that. That is, You are a luxury. You're seen as the prize. And it's got this person all up in their head like, but I thought that I was going to be seen as, you know, the most powerful, the most exciting, the most handsome, the most good looking, the most, you know, these people are doing the most, you know, like they got this energy of look at me, but look at me, I'm pretty too, or look at me, I've got this and I've come from this family, or my family's got money, and people don't care. Boring. Yeah. They can't hide behind what their family has. Some of these people come from money. Or, oh, I'm married, so you should respect me more. People don't care because you're not even happy in your marriage, fam. That's why we got the 10 of Pentacles in the reverse. They wanted people to look down upon you. But if you weren't that girl or that guy, why are they competing with you? They're showing you who you are. And you don't even pay them no mind. The Spirit is saying, do not even pay these people no mind. They're not even on your level. They like watching your back though. They like watching everything about you. There's body envy here as well. There is body envy. They see the way people from the opposite gender look at you and they feel like you're cool. They're not going to say it to you, but they feel like you're so cool. Like, you may always listen to music. You know, look how this girl, she's got her own swag. You know, she's got her colourful yellow headphones on. She's in this young lady, I should say, she's in a world of her own. She's got her dog with a bandana, right? You know, she's a vibe. She's on her own frequency. Like, she's not minding anyone. She's minding her own business. You know, she's just focused on what she wants to do. She's not trying to appease anyone. This is the energy that you give off. Like, literally unbothered. And that's why these individuals are bothered. Because of someone's affection for you. Because someone wants to invest in you. Oh, they see the way that person looks at you. They see the way many love suitors look at you. If you're in a relationship, they're jealous of your relationship. Because you and this person are a match. See how they're both wearing glasses. Maybe your person doesn't wear glasses. Maybe you don't wear glasses. But you and your person are a match. There could be a difference here. Because we've got different milkshakes. But on an energetic level, they feel it. And they want to manipulate the situation. And they want to destroy it. Because of their jealousy and fixation on you. How did she get him? How did he get her? I've been trying to invest in this situation. And I've been eared. I've been ignored. What's so special about him? What's so special about her? You have a certain magnetism. You carry a very regal, royal, expensive, classy, respectful, down-to-earth, bubbly, goofy energy. But these people, they don't know that because they haven't gotten close to you. You don't want these people to get close to you because you know that they're jealous of you. And Spirit is saying keep a healthy distance because this is the type of person or people who would try to destroy you if they haven't tried already. To play mind games, to manipulate you, to gossip about you. Because they're jealous of your essence and your aura. There's a fixation on you. You know, they feel, how can she look so beautiful but be so spicy? So there's a sexual rivalry. And they are studying you. They're trying to learn you. How come you have this energy? How come you carry this weight? You know, these people are your understudies. These are the type of people that will try and flirt with people that fancy you or try and sleep with your person, even if they don't even like your person, or try to humiliate you, do like humiliation rituals to humble you. They don't want you to be seen as loved. They don't want someone to love you as well. They want someone to leave you. So if you're in a relationship right now, this person wants that person to leave you. They don't want that person to show you love. They are extremely jealous, very fixated. For some of you, because they just feel like you're beautiful, you're handsome, you get what you want. For others of you, there's a fear of, if them two get together, I'm hearing they're going to make bank. Or he's going to potentially marry her, or she's going to marry him. There's something about that. Too consumed with your life when they should be consumed with their own. Look, we've got the 5 of Cups. They make it their daily duty, or for some of you, to spy on your relationship, to, try to embody your energy, try to look like you. Like, it's just weird. It's giving weird. It's giving fan. It's giving bye. Literally, bye. Keep away. This person has tried to rival you and compete with you, but they have failed time and time and time and time and time again. Is what Spirit is saying. The Page of Pentacles. Got Page of Pentacles twice. You're too heavyweight. You're too heavyweight to try and contend with, because you compete with yourself. These people are trying to compete with you when you're competing with yourself. These people are trying to compete with you when you're 10 steps ahead. Like, it doesn't make any sense. They try to compete with you in regards to finances. You don't care. They try to compete with you in regards to looks. You don't care because you got your own swag and your own style. They try to compete with you in regards to their relationship. You don't care. Because you could be in a relationship that they don't know about. Or you're happy being single. You're single. They're jealous that you're single. because they're unhappy in their relationship, and you radiate so much, carefreeness, etc. Having options, and they're thinking, oh, but I'm bogged down if I wasn't married, or but I thought you were showing off that you're married. Like, please make it make sense. Please make it make sense. I feel like your energy confuses this person, but your energy was never supposed to be dissected. Your energy was never supposed to be, some essay or some corporate, operation to understand, because it's just weird. It's just giving, let me try to destroy you because I'm jealous of you. And Spirit is saying, keep away from this person because they're a straight up and down weirdo. And yeah, you've triggered them. You didn't mean to, but you've triggered them. Maybe you're supposed to trigger them to show them who not to F about with. Because whatever attacks, well, I feel like whoever these people are, they try and attack you subtly. It's very subtle. It's not overt, right? It's very subtle because they feel like you're simple and you're not, because they don't understand that you're highly intelligent. That's another thing. Intelligence and brains. They just feel like, oh, she's just pretty. She's just got a good body. She's simple. You've worked them out. You know that you felt the energy shift. You heard the tone going high pitched. You saw the stares at other people. You felt the stares a little bit too long. Like, you're emotionally intelligent. This is what these people don't understand. So it's like, stop embarrassing yourself. Stop humiliating yourself. And just stay in your own effing lane and leave people the F alone. Because you cannot compete where you don't compare. Sit down. Sit the F down. Cheers. Checkmate. This is the energy, I'm on to the next one. I'm on to the next thing. Your mindset is so focused on other things. It's unbelievable that these people are your understudies and they're also trying to destroy you for being you. Will never work. Keep shining is what Spirit wants to say.